Just about to make a quick brew. Just finished boiling on my little stovey stove. It's pretty cool. Let's make this brew. Well, here we are. Hello, people. Hello and welcome to Macclesfield Forest. It's a beautiful place. I don't know if you can see. Try to spin around a bit. No, maybe. No, that's my car. You don't want that. Go that way. There we go. For a day hike anyway, let's get to it. And it's pretty awesome here. Lots of exploring, lots of trails, lots of wildlife, lots of hills, lots of forest, even better. So, yes, hopefully I've got some half decent footage, maybe, maybe not, we'll see. Anyway, I'll see you soon.
It'll be like that, oh, sausage fingers.
I know.
That's alright though.
There you go.
Oh yeah, that's cool. Wowza, you've got a tripod, isn't it?
Yeah.
Hello, morning. For a minute now, I thought I'd still have the lens cap on. I was like,
Is it? Is it on and is it off?
yeah, it's off. Definitely off.
And the problem is the screen is tiny.
Yeah.
So you're like, have I got it on right? What is it doing? It's quite weird lighting, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah. It's quite atmospheric.
Where's he going? He's still looking at me! Don't know what he's saying. Go away. There you go.
So yeah, I've had this, I don't know if I've had this day.
Jesus. I need to practice using this controller wheel.
Oh, is that the zoom, is it?
No, it just moves it up and down.
Oh, okay.
Or
Oh, right, okay.
pans it left and right.
Ah, clever.
But if you hold it down, it spins around. You can spin it all the way around.
Oh, wicked.
But because look, it's looking at the sky.
Yeah, yeah.
It's looking at the sky because I have no idea what I'm doing.
You haven't it? I don't know. That view. He's filming as well.
Attempting to.
steps.
Steps of hell.
Stairway to heaven. More like hell.
Yep. Yeah. Where are you going?
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Sure, my followers don't hear me blowing out my hoop.
Yeah. It looks so weird up there. Like
Today though. I had a vanilla mousse from the bench. So that wasn't bad if you just remember it's mousse. And it's meant to be thick and brown. So yeah, just think nice thoughts when you're eating it and you'll be fine. That one there. And follow it round. the woods.
I love my hump.
You love your what, sorry?
My hump. My hump.
Your hump.
My hump.
Yeah, can't beat a good hump.
You know what? I think we might be able to get rid of our waterproofs.
Well, you said it now.
What do you reckon?
I don't know. Oh, there's blue sky up there. Yeah.
There is. Not that I can see it.
Full of birds in there. Beautiful. Beautiful.
We're in the Shires. I love when I spin it around, all you can see is my hump. My hump, my hump. Quasi!
Yeah.
Birdies.
One nice beering. There's not too food to fucking cook. Yeah, so That's the thing. Oh. Yeah, this is the hill, isn't it?
One of them.
One of them, nice. New hat. That ain't waterproof.
Good climb up there.
Yeah.
Oh, this.
Yeah.
Says Forest Chapel. There's a chapel right at the top. When you're feeling
energetic.
Yes. I've been there once, I think. Once or twice.
Cool.
It's nice. Forest Chapel. It's not as nice as that one we found.
Oh, with yeah, I know, Shining Saw.
Yes. So that was a beaut. That was.
Yeah.
There you go. We've come from down there.
Nice. Yeah, that's the bridge, isn't it?
All the way down there. It's not really that far, but it looks far.
It does. It's an elevation, isn't it? Little.
I mean, you see at the top of the hill at the back?
Yeah.
That's the top path, that is. We haven't even been up there.
Bloody hell.
Well, that's the end of the walk. Back in the car now. It's been really cool. Awesome. Been out with Pete from The Outdoors and Me. Took him around Macclesfield Forest for the first time, which is awesome. Definitely need to bring him back because we've not really explored a lot of Mac. It's quite big, there's a lot of trails, and if you're not in a rush, you know, and you actually want to take in the views, then you have to take it nice and easy, which we did. He went up to Shuttlingloe Peak, we had his lunch up there, and then we continued down to Bank Reservoir, and then up the opposite side back to Standing Stones, which is a really beautiful area. Hopefully this will be an okay video, and I don't talk like a robot like I am doing right now. Mwah. Apple? Don't eat on the camera. Yeah, we've had a great day today. Mixture of weather. Sunshine when we started, sunshine up at Shuttlingloe Peak, and quite a lot of rain for maybe 2 hours. Yeah, maybe 2 hours. But then when we got back towards the car park, the sun came out again. So didn't really get wet because I had my new crazy blue poncho. I'm like a floating cloud in it. But I love it. And yeah, it did the job. Kept me warm and dry, which is what you want from a poncho. Yeah, that's it then. So hopefully there'll be some nice footage. I can make some kind of video without it being all muffled and soundless or pointless. And we'll be back soon with another video. Okay, take care, people. No, cut action, take 50. Hopefully I'll be back soon with another video of some hiking trip. Don't know where, but somewhere. Okay, see you soon. Goodbye.